when I used to live in Korea, I used to come here at least once a month because it's such a great place. It's not far from where I used to live, and they do great food here. It's a nice mountain to go up. Mike's actually never been to the top. I went to the top once. Put the drone up. It's gonna be fun. Fun day ahead. So this is the deep fried ginseng. We're gonna have some on the way down with honey. There's a karaoke room in case you want to have fun. Ginseng, makgeolli. 안녕하세요.
막걸리, 안녕하세요.
Yeah, we'll have some makgeolli on, but we'll have to buy it to take home. Wow. So this is where we're going. To the top.
We went the blue one last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we got to that.
Yeah.
Then we just get to that ladder, and then
Yes.
we didn't.
Yeah, and we went a little bit further.
Yeah.
And then we tapped out, went home and drank. This time, to the top and beyond. This is the lava that they eat, cotton bug lava or something like that. It's not the tastiest, and I've never had one. No, I've tried it. It's disgusting.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, no.
아니 손잡고 정신 없어서요.
Let me, Gary. Let me, Gary. I love Koreans when they climb mountains. They set up camp, start drinking beer, soju, have a perfect meal.
So basically, what you're saying is we should ask them for some beer or soju.
I used to do that.
아니 열이가 젓가락 말다 뭐 이거 먹고 앉아서.
Found some guys with soju, so they offered us soju.
You want some soju? Oh.
이거는 소주.
Ah, 맛있어. 맛있어. So I just flew the drone on that bridge. It's pretty scary, especially trying to catch it. Thank God there were old people with soju. The next stop is that bridge up there, which I will fly the drone over. These are the stairwells. I mean the stairwell I talked about. Oh man, this is a tough one. Ready for this one?
No, I am not.
Not really, but I'm going to.
Oh, you're already up there.
I did this last
안녕하세요.
Thank you.
No worries. I'm nearly dead.
짠.
Oh, anything for the vlog. Holy prick. I hate hand catching, I really hate it. It's a tall climb. My knees are gonna crap themselves again. These guys gave us cucumber. 감사합니다.
소주.
소주.
맛있어. 그들은 안 하네.
Okay.
Okay, honey.
One shot. One shot. Really? One shot. Yeah. Go.
어디서 오셨어요?
Come on. 아싸.
감사합니다.
아, 조금. Driving.
마늘.
감사합니다.
마늘.
오케이. 감사합니다. 아, 맛있어.
마늘.
네, 마늘. 감사합니다.
오,
안 매워요?
마늘도
안 먹어요?
마늘도
안녕히 가세요.
네.
감사합니다. We've lost Libby, so we're communicating in Aussie. There she is. I think she's at the top already. Ah, I love Korean people. They gave us shots of soju, food. Mike's probably half cut.
I don't want to refuse any shots of soju because it seems like disrespectful, but this ain't the place.
Especially going down that bridge.
Oh, we don't have to go down that.
Well, last time we stopped down the bottom because we didn't know where the top was. It's right here. Yeah.
We're coming.
Go away. You made it without crying.
205. We came at 250. We came at 150.
Good work, Lemmy. You going down?
Yeah, climb.
You climb up?
Okay.
You made it. Congratulations.
How to say it?
Thank you.
Bloody hell. What a view. Oh, we've climbed another mountain. Oh, champions. I'm not as dead as the Gumi mountain now. Lemmy made it. Without
They
crying.
said that was amazing every time I found an old person just climbing up.
Yeah. The old people kept giving us soju. Now, to put the drone up and make our way down to the bottom.
We saw the drone.
Did you?
Yeah.
It was good, eh? Alright, so we made it to the top of Daedunsan and another mountain finished. Oh, that was good. At least my knees aren't destroyed like the last time. So it's time to go home, go down, eat something, and then get back to town so we can drink again.
Yep, we want to have some of the, was it fried ginseng?
Fried ginseng.
It's like fried in like honey, it's really, really good.
Jesus, don't lean in. There's a woman behind the camera, she was about to lean back. It's gonna fall down.
So if we run, that'll make a pretty good vlog.
Oh. Anyway. Back down.
Down.
To get supplies to all the shops up here, they have this little like a cable car, service cable car for them, which is awesome. Goes all the way down. They got like a little restaurant. Yeah.
Japan, Mount Fuji.
Yeah.
Like they've got little things all the way up.
Yep.
This isn't quite as big, but
No. Oh look, did you see that? Look at her hand. Wow. She's feeding the bird. Wow.
안 좋아. 약간 지금 진짜.
와, 진짜 대단하시다.
I've just come down these stairs. Again, my knee's gone. I'm gonna have to get acupuncture again. That's the bridge we crossed before. Man, it's amazing. Koreans, you guys have some really awesome mountains to climb. All right, we had something to eat, seafood pancakes and some ginseng. We're ready to go home. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, all that good stuff, right?
Pikachu.
See you next time.